just finished their day at Miller. This was a very interesting weekend. We had ups and downs. Today went great, so awesome Sunday. We got first in Ace Supersport and second in Formula 1, but technically I was leading the race, but they red flagged it. And then the most important race for us was the 6th lap Ace Superbike race. Took the lead away from Oleg on lap 1 and pulled a gap and finished the race. And we did the fastest lap of the entire weekend. We hit in the 54s. So we're getting closer to AMA top times now. I really enjoy coming to Miller, but more importantly is the Wira organization is just great. Like, everyone is so nice, it's so professional, well organized, well run. Wira combined with the Utah Superbike Association, and so the races were mixed and our points were mixed, so I didn't get to start and pole in all the races from my Wira points. And after getting a couple wins today, I believe we might be leading every class we did.
So since we started working with Marcel and doing the racing, many people have tried to figure out on the videos and things, what is this Moby Buff that is sponsoring Marcel and going racing? Well, Moby Buff was my idea. Moby Buff is a fundraising app for your organization to help you get money for the things you want to do.
So 2 weeks ago I raced my first AMA at Laguna Seca. It was an amazing experience overall. I really enjoyed it, except for, unfortunately, crashed in lap 18 in the 23 lap race out of 10th position. Landed hard on my left hip and my Schuberth helmet just smashed the ground, but it did its job. I didn't have a concussion. And now we're at Miller Motorsport Park. You know, I'm still sore and trying to get out of the cobwebs of a crash, which happens to anybody. And, you know, it kind of started out a little mixed today, you know, with a win and a crash, and but tomorrow promises to be a good day. Yeah, this year's been really special. I've always been searching for a title sponsor, and luckily Greg the mechanic found me because he bought a BMW and watching my vids. And this year's just been amazing. I mean, I've had all the opportunities that I've been wanting in the past. You know, we got 2 bikes, we got the funding for tires, and to make all the races, we've done like 15 race weekends, and I'm getting faster and faster, and you know, the possibilities are endless now, so this is kind of a dream come true.